Hi everyone, Ishan here again. Today we're going to talk about Part 2, Conservation of Forest and Wildlife in Chapter 7, Conservation of Plants and Animals of CBSE Class 8 Science. Let's get right into the quiz. Question 1. Blank is a part of Earth in which living organisms exist and supports life. A. Park, B. Biosphere, C. Diversity, or D. Earth. The correct answer is B. Biosphere. Question 2. Biological diversity is also known as A. Diversity, B. Biodiversity, C. Chemical diversity, or D. Human diversity. The correct answer is B. Biodiversity. Question 3. Plants and animals live in areas protected from disturbance to them, and their habitats are called A. Forest, B. Building, C. Monument, or D. Wildlife sanctuaries. The correct answer is D. Wildlife sanctuaries. Question 4. Areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use habitats as in natural resources is known as A. Biosphere, B. National Park, C. Pachmari, or D. Forest. The correct answer is B. National Park. Question 5. Large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plants, animal resources, and tribes is known as A. Wildlife sanctuaries, B. Glacier, C. Jungle, or D. Biosphere reserve. The correct answer is D. Biosphere reserve. Question 6. Blank are areas meant for the conservation of biodiversity. A. Sanctuaries, B. Biosphere reserves, C. Forest, or D. Antarctica. The correct answer is B. Biosphere reserves. Question 7. Blank Biosphere Reserve consists of a national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachmari. A. Yosemite, B. Pachmari, C. Taj Mahal, or D. Red Fort. The correct answer is B. Pachmari. The following points will help you answer questions on conservation of forest and wildlife. Biosphere is a part of our Earth in which living organisms exist and support life. Biological diversity is also known as biodiversity. Plants and animals live in areas protected from disturbance to them, and their habitats are called wildlife sanctuaries. Areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use habitats as in natural resources is known as national park. Large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plants, animal resources, and tribes is known as biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserves are areas meant for the conservation of biodiversity. Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists of a national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachmari. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel using the link below so you don't miss out on new videos of other chapters and classes. Please provide suggestions in the comments section. Thank you.